Hello and welcome to yet another video. Today we will bring you a solution to decrypt OST files encrypted with either SMIME or OpenPGP type encryption with Datahelp OST Repair Tool. The software helps in repairing corrupted Outlook OST data and recover OST emails encrypted with either SMIME or OpenPGP type encryption. Now let's check out the working process. The software opens with a user-friendly interface. You can click Add File button from the top menu bar to start adding encrypted OST files. Now another window appears with further options to choose. Here you can choose either Select File option or the Search File option depending on your requirements. Let's proceed with the Search File option selected and check out how the Search File feature works. You can either choose the Search Selected Drive option or the Search All Drive option. Now let's choose the Selected Drive option in our example. You can choose any desired folder partition from the drop-down option. And then you can choose the Remove Encryption option below. Another window opens and here you have to enter the encryption details. You can choose either Single Key option or the Multiple Key option. Now let's continue with the multiple key option selected and proceed further. In order to add multiple keys, there is the CSV option provided. You can click the sample CSV file hyperlink below. Now you can see further options corresponding to the encryption type. Enter the correct key path in the field option. Then enter the correct password in the adjacent field. After entering the credentials in the respective field options, save the CSV file. And then you can click Browse button to choose the CSV file in which the key path and password was saved. And click Open button. Then click Done. And below you can choose either Quick Scan option if the file is having minimum corruption, or choose Advanced Scan option if the file is highly corrupted. After making the desired selections, hit Search button below to proceed further. Now the software will search for files in the selected partition. And after the search completes successfully, click OK. Then you can choose the desired files by selecting the corresponding checkbox option. After making the selections, hit Add button below to proceed further. Now you can see the file scanning in progress, and after the scanning completes successfully, click Yes to save the scanned files, otherwise simply hit No. Now you can see the selected folder list will appear on the left-hand side. Choose the desired folder to preview its details, then on the right side the mails will appear. And further you can see details of any selected mail, like Normal Mail View, Hex View, Properties View, Message Header, MIME View, HTML, RTF, and attachments of any chosen mail. Now let's check out the method of how to perform selective file export. Choose the desired mails to export by checking the corresponding box option. And then right-click on any desired mail and click Save button. Export option window appears, with further options to choose. These options will be explained in detail during the bulk export. Now let's check out the method of how to export files in batch. Click Save button from the top navigation bar. And within the Export option window, further advanced options can be selected. Choose the desired folders by checking the box option. Then from the Export Type option, select the desired file format. Now let's proceed with the PST option selected. Clicking on the Advanced Settings button will open another window with further options. Split option is provided to split the output PST files according to size. Date filter option is also provided to filter mails according to certain date range. And from the category options below, you can check or uncheck desired categories. After making the desired selections, hit Save button below. And click OK. Then click Browse button to choose a destination folder to save the output files. After selecting a folder, click OK. Maintain Folder Hierarchy option lets you maintain the folder hierarchy. And uncheck this option, and check the next option below if you don't want empty folders to be exported. Check the Use Outlook option if Outlook is installed on your machine. And selecting the Ignore System Folders option lets you ignore system folders from getting exported. After making the desired selections, click Export button below to initiate the file exporting process. Now you can see the exporting process in progress, and after the process completes successfully, click OK. Then you can see the Export Report window appears with Complete Export Report. Here you can click Save button below to save the export report in CSV format. In this video, you saw the successful method of how to decrypt OST emails encrypted with OpenPGP type encryption. Now let's check out the output files. Open the destination folder in which the files were saved. And here you can see the output PST file. Open the PST file in Microsoft Outlook to further check its details. And here you can see the decrypted emails and other details as well. For purchasing this product, open web page and go to Buy Now section. Don't waste time. Purchase full version and get the full license features. If any query, feel free to contact us. Subscribe channel for latest updates and offers. Subscribe channel for latest updates and offers.